Hey guys, it's Jerry Kicks Revival, and today we're going to be reviving this pair of Air Force One Wheat Supremes. Before we get started, we're going to remove the laces. Here I'm just putting the laces in some water and some cleaner. Now we're going to start cleaning the insides of the shoe. To clean the outsoles, we're going to be repeating the same process. The only difference is we're going to be using the wire bristle brush. Now for the uppers, we're going to be using a dry cleaning method, using a suede eraser and a suede brush to try and get rid of all the dirt. For the most part, the dry cleaning method did get rid of most of the dirt. For some spots, I did have to use some touch-up clean with some cleaner. Here I'm just using some Revival Mist and fully saturating the suede to darken and enrich the suede. And here all I'm using is a suede brush to reset the nap, and I have these looking buttery. Here are the afters, guys. The shoe is looking great, brand new. Suede is nice and buttery. If you guys would like a service, contact us. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next.